$1,211.16. That's what I was able to generate in my Clickbank account in just a few days. You can see I'm refreshing. You can actually see that this is real commissions, $1,211 in just a few days worth of work. Now, if you never ever made a Clickbank commission in your life and you're looking to make your first Clickbank sale, stay tuned. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, like I said, in this video today, if you've never, ever made a Clickbank sale, you want to pay close attention to this video because I'm just going to lay out exactly what you need in order to make consistent sales with your Clickbank campaigns. And if you follow exactly what I show you to do in this video, you will actually shortcut your way to success. You'll shortcut your way in order to make some Clickbank commissions for yourself. So make sure you pay attention, stay for the entire video, and then take action after the video is over. So let's go and jump right in. All right, so most of you guys have been watching a lot of videos and a lot of gurus tell you how to actually make money with Clickbank. And a lot of people, what they're telling you to do is they say go to Clickbank, and the first thing you need to do is find a product, look for something with a high gravity, and then you have your product. And then what do they tell you to do next? They tell you to go out and find some traffic. Let's just call this traffic here. And then they say take that traffic and just send it right to this Clickbank product. Now, this is actually the exact wrong way to do this. This is absolutely wrong. And really for the reason because most people aren't going to purchase a product on the first time they actually see the sales page. A lot of times when, especially on the internet, when someone's looking at something or they're exposed to a particular product, they may look at it, but a lot of people aren't pulling out their credit card right then and there to go ahead and purchase that product. Sometimes people do. There's a small percentage of people that will do that if the sales page is very high converting and compelling. It does happen, but 9 times out of 10, someone is not buying the product on the first visit of the site. So what basically needs to happen is that person that's visiting this product here needs to have multiple exposures of the actual product. They need to be follow-up on and really given some value, which is going to help enhance the actual purchase of that product. So what really needs to happen is the first thing you need to do, obviously you do need to have a product, right? So let's just put product up here again. And you want to make sure that product is high converting, and you want to make sure that it's of good quality and it's actually going to help people. So that's number one. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a high converting squeeze page. So I'm going to put squeeze page here. And the reason why you want to have a high converting squeeze page, because as you're sending traffic to this page, you want to be able to convert most of that traffic into leads. Now, a lot of times, with a lot of squeeze pages that you see out here, they're converting at like maybe 20 to let's say 30%, which is probably about average industry standard. But where you really want to get to is you want your squeeze page to be converting somewhere around 40 to 50%, right? Now, you guys don't have to worry about trying to do all the technical things and have all the actual knowledge of trying to create a squeeze page that's converting at 40 to 50%, because I'm actually just going to give you guys an offering that will actually do all of this for you, and it actually does convert at about 50%. And I'll actually prove it to you guys by jumping over here to my Click Magic. You can actually see right here the actual page that I'm using to make these actual Clickbank sales. You just saw that within a couple of days I generated over $1,200. The squeeze page is converting at 48%, so almost 50%. So almost 50% of the traffic that's coming to this squeeze page is opting in. That's so important and is very key in your marketing. The more people that you can actually get into your front door, the more people that you're going to be able to sell to down the line. So once they actually come through your door, you have 50% come through. The next thing you want to do is you want to send them to either the product or to some training. So let's just say in this case, we're going to send them to a product, and then let's just say, you know, maybe a percentage of them purchase right out, maybe a percentage of them don't. But the good thing about it is what this system is going to allow you to do is follow up. So this is where, you know, you have a email marketing campaign. And, you know, we talked about most people don't actually purchase on the first go round. So what typically happens is they will get email 1, they'll get email 2, they'll get email 3, email 4, email 5, and so forth and so on. And in these actual emails, what's happening? They're getting value, they're getting training, right? And then they're also getting pushed back to the actual product too, right? So they're getting more exposures to this product here. And so the more exposures that they get to the product, the more value, the more training, the more opt they're going to be to go ahead and purchase that product, right? Because they're being exposed to it multiple times, day in and day out. So then it gets to the point where when you're feeding that funnel with good, high quality traffic, you have a squeeze page that's converting at 50%. So you're getting all that traffic to come through as much as possible. And then you're putting them through a good email follow-up sequence where they're getting the training, where they're getting the value, and they're getting exposed to the product over and over again. What happens? Then all of a sudden you start seeing this in your Clickbank account. Sell, 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 sell. And you love it, and it's just exciting, and you want to just keep hitting refresh and hitting refresh and hitting refresh because you love seeing those Clickbank commissions being generated into your account. So guys, if you're brand spanking new to this and you've never actually made a Clickbank sale and you don't want to have to go through all the technical things to try to, you know, get a high converting squeeze page, get it online, how to connect it to your autoresponder, how to have the value, the training, all the other pieces, the nuances that come in having a good funnel. If you want a done-for-you solution, the same done-for-you solution that is allowing me to get generous Clickbank commissions on a daily and weekly basis, I'll have a link in the description of this video. You guys can actually plug in. You can actually get in and actually create an account and start some free training, and then you'll learn more of how you can actually get all of this whole system set up for you so that you can also start making your first Clickbank sale. So I hope this video made sense to you guys. If you have any questions following this video, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.